Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Prerna and today's video is going to be very special because it's our 6th wedding anniversary. And to celebrate it, we have come to this crown jewel of place, Taj, for a high tea experience. We wanted to do it for so long but save it for a special occasion, which is today. And we have come like 30-45 minutes earlier. Actually it starts by 3:30, but we have come by 2:45 to grab the best seats possible, and let me show you why this is the best seat. So those were our seats, and from that window this is the view, guys. Like right in front of you, the entire ocean and an amazing view of Gateway of India. Well, who wouldn't like to sip a cup of tea right in front of this view? So this is a 3-tier chali which you get right on your table. It has some desserts and some sandwiches as well. Let's try them out. So firstly, I'm trying this multi-layer sandwich. It has spinach, carrot, beetroot, and it does not taste like beetroot at all. Sandwich is cold, but all layers are very well defined. I'm going to try this tart, this chocolate tart. Chocolate is so smooth and such a crispy base it has. It is so delicious and it's like melt in mouth. Now for other snacks, it's a self-service. We had chole kulche, dabeli, oh god, dabeli was yum, samosas, corn fritters. For non-veg snacks, you had fish, you had shrimps, you had mutton, you had chicken dishes as well. I'm a vegetarian, but look how pretty is that. So besides these starters, there were Kothimir vadi. Guys, I love Kothimir vadi. It's a Maharashtrian dish. If you haven't tried it, do try it whenever you are in Mumbai. Then there was some khandvi, dhokla, white dhokla. So yeah, it was like a huge nice spread. Also, I want to talk about the ambience of this place. It had such nice vintage feel, like you were in the era of 80s or 90s. Hats off to Taj for maintaining that. For my first serving, I got all this. So it has khandvi, dhokla, sandwich, pesto sandwich, some samosa, chutney, kothimir vadi, and okay, it was too much, I know, but I could not hold myself. Then we have some delicious pani puri and shev puri. What was that?
Seekh kebab.
How is it?
Very soft, lighter than air.
So these sandwiches, they have such an amazing feeling, if you can see, and they are tasting so delicious. Tried this pesto sandwich, and it's like the upper layer of pesto sauce is so delicious. Like it's very true to the taste, to the name. Like it's delicious. And then I have this dabeli. So what do we have here?
This is a traditional English dish you must have heard of, scones.
Okay, scones.
Scones, this is strawberry jam, this is cream.
Okay.
So, and the rest are, I suppose, just traditional English sweets.
Okay. Now taste and tell me. What do you want to try first, scones?
Yes.
Orgasm. Okay, the words are not coming out of mouth. It's so delicious, I guess.
The scone is very similar to a cake preparation. This strawberry jam is out of the world.
Really? I have to try now. That is one delicious filter coffee, guys, I swear. Thank you. Cheers. So damn good. Strong है थोड़ी. Sugar डालो थोड़ा. Filter coffees with some samosas. The outer layer is so crispy of the samosa, and the potato inside is filled with masalas and so tasty. Especially the outer layer, I really liked it. It's so crispy. And now it's time for some yummy desserts. So they had a huge spread for desserts, right from cakes, pastries, cupcakes, and some cookies and whatnot. Besides these English desserts, there were some Indian desserts as well. So this is stuffed with lychee, that is burfi, and then there were some fruits. So after giving a lot of thought कि मैं छोला कुलचे खाऊं कि नहीं, in front of said मत खाओ क्योंकि क्या लगेगा. But sorry, my sister would be so proud of me now. She loves छोले कुलचे. Let me see. Nice. Actually कुछ अलग नहीं है, but no harm in trying. So now I'm going to try these scones. Honestly, I have not tried them before. So let's see how it goes. This makhan is literally makhan actually. हमारा घर वाला मक्खन है और बहुत ही मक्खनी है. Jam is so yummy. Very delicious, like really sweet but not too sweet. Exactly how the jam should be actually. और उसका scones का खुद से कोई taste नहीं है. When you are adding all this, तो ही actually taste आ रहा है उसका. Okay, let me enjoy this bite. There's nothing like pani puri, full of flavors. So many flavors just burst into your mouth. So I think this is the best way to finish this high tea experience according to me. Let's do it. These are really crispy. So they also had a small piece of pastry or cake for our anniversary. That's so sweet of you, Taj. Thank you so much. And yes, a big shout out to the person who was serving us. His name was Chinmay. Thank you, Chinmay, for such a nice hospitality. Thank you. So that was our high tea experience at Taj. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.